Okay, babe, I got the paperwork for our new joint checking account. I need you to route your business income here so we can pay the penthouse bills as a team. And obviously, I'll keep my salary in my personal account. A girl needs her own fun money for shopping and self-care.
Your money is your money, and my money is our money. Is that the proposal?
Well, yes, you make millions, Michael. My little salary is nothing compared to yours. It's the man's job to provide the foundation.
If it is the man's job to provide the foundation, why do we need a joint account? I already pay 100% of the bills.
Because it's about transparency and security. If I am going to be your wife someday, I need access to the capital. I need to feel safe.
You do not want safety. You want authority over an asset you did not build, without assuming any of the liability.
That is how marriage works. Two become one. You are holding back because you have trust issues. You need to let me lead with you.
I have no trust issues. I have a proficiency in mathematics. Let's audit this merger before we sign any documents.
An audit? Really? I bring feminine energy and peace to this house. You can't put that on a spreadsheet.
I can, and I did. You consume peace, you do not create it. Let's review the data.
This is so toxic. Why do you always have to turn my love into a corporate transaction?
You brought me a legally binding financial contract. You initiated the transaction. I am simply reading the terms and conditions.
If you don't sign this, it means you aren't serious about our future. Real men share their wealth with their queens.
A king shares his wealth with a queen who helps defend the castle. He does not hand the treasury keys to a tourist.
A tourist? I live here. I sleep in your bed. I am your partner. You are so arrogant.
A partner invests capital and shares the risk. A tourist enjoys the view and complains about the room service. You are currently acting like a tourist. If you want a joint account, we will operate as joint equals. Pick up the paper and read the first line.
What is this? 50% of the mortgage, 50% of the utilities, 50% of the grocery bill?
Correct. Since you want to merge our finances and act as modern equals, the monthly overhead will be split exactly 50-50.
Are you crazy? I can't afford half of this. The mortgage alone is more than my entire monthly salary.
Variable 1. You demand the authority and access of a modern, independent woman. Variable 2. You demand the financial bailout and lack of responsibility of a traditional dependent. You cannot use modern feminism to secure your own money and then use traditional patriarchy to spend mine.
You make millions. It costs you nothing to pay the bills. You are just trying to financially abuse me and keep me trapped.
I am the one keeping you free. You live in a luxury penthouse, drive a car I paid for, and eat food I buy. You have 100% of your income to yourself.
I am not paying half the bills. I am the prize. If you don't want to provide for me, there are 1,000 men who will.
The math drop. You want full access to my empire, but you refuse to pay the taxes. You want my money to be our money, but your money to be your money. The math does not work.
You are so selfish. I gave you my youth. I gave you my loyalty. And you are treating me like a roommate.
I treat you exactly how you present yourself. If you want to be a traditional wife, we close your personal accounts, and I manage all the finances, completely.
No, I am not giving up my financial independence. I need my own money so I am not controlled by a man.
Then you are not a traditional wife. You are an independent roommate, and roommates split the bills 50-50. Pick a lane.
This is impossible. I can't win with you. You twist everything around to make me look like the bad guy.
I do not twist anything. I hold up a mirror. You are angry because the reflection shows a massive double standard. So, what is the decision? Do we open a joint account and split the bills as modern equals? Or do we keep things exactly as they are? You have 5 seconds to decide, or I will make the decision for you.
I am not paying your bills, and I am not giving up my independence. You are just a controlling narcissist who wants to punish women.
I am not punishing you. I am simply declining to be your financial host. You want the privileges of a wife while acting like a single woman.
I am leaving. I am going to stay at my sister's place until you learn how to treat a real woman properly.
If you walk out that door over a rejected money grab, you do not need to come back. I will have your belongings boxed and sent to your sisters by morning.
You would really throw away our entire relationship over money? You are so shallow.
You initiated the conversation about money. You brought the contracts. You tried to secure the bag, and when the logic trapped you, you played the victim. I am not throwing you away. I am taking out the trash.
He actually packed my bags. I tried to get the joint account and I lost the penthouse. I played myself.
Restructuring. Liability, Jasmine. Merger denied. Provision, protected. Joint account rejected. She wanted my income to be our income, while her income remained exclusively hers. The math drop: you cannot invoice me for traditional provision while enforcing modern independence. She demanded a joint account but refused to split the bills. Should a high-value man protect his treasury from this double standard?